method on.
Alright, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Satria Iman Sakaruniawan. I study at Bina Sarana Informatika University in Purwokerto City. Incorrectly majoring in information system. So, my opinion about people who smoke on campus is that they are stupid and very selfish. I believe it's an act that should be done on campus. Personally, I hate inhaling cigarette smoke, as it sometimes makes me short of breath. I think if we see our friends smoking on campus, we should especially reprimand them so they realize that smoking has its own special place. Once again, I say it, I hate cigarette smoke. Don't be afraid, reprimand them for the common good. The second one is my report. Here is my title, namely Adverb of Frequency, understanding how often things happen. Then below it is my name and class. What are adverbs of frequency? Words that describe how often an action happen. They answer the question how often. Common adverb of frequency always occurs every single time without fails, 100%. Usually happen most of the time, every often, 80 to 90%. Often or frequently happens many times on a regular basis, 60 to 70%. Sometimes occurs on sentence, occasion always, 30 to 50%. Occasionally happens only a few times, infrequently 10 to 20%. Rarely or hardly ever, almost never happens, very seldom 5 to 10%, and never does not happen at any time, absolutely 0%. Placement rule 1 before the main verb. This is a most common and natural position for a verb of frequency in sentence, establishing clarity. Illustrative example: I always make up early. She never eats meat. They often go to park. Why placement matter? Correct verb placement ensures clarity and natural communication, preventing misunderstanding in daily conversation. Placement rule 2 after the verb to be. The rule adverb of frequency usually comes after the verb to be. This applies when to be act as the main verb. Example: he is always happy. We are usually busy on weekend. Quick tip: the verb always follow the to be verb in this placement rule. Placement rule 3 between auxiliary and main verb. I have never said that before. Auxiliary have, adverb never, main verb send. She can always help us. Auxiliary can, adverb always, main verb help. You should always wear a helmet. Auxiliary should adverb always, main verb where. Placement rule 4. With imperative. Key rule. Adverb of frequency type casually precede the imperative verb. This ensures and emphasizes the frequency of the commanded action. Example 1. Affirmative. Always remember your key. Example 2. Negative. Never give up on your dream. Adverb that can start a sentences. Strategic placement for impact. Sometimes, often, frequently, usually, occasionally. Dash adverb of frequency and introduce a sentence. This adds emphasis and varies sentences structure. It also creates a more engaging narrative flow. Illustrative example. Sometimes I feel tired. Often they visit their grandparents. Occasionally we indulge in dessert. Usually the team meet on Monday. Enhance your communication. Improve sentences variety and sophistication. Immediately capture the audience attention. Add stylistic flair to your writing and pitch. Adverb that cannot start a sentence. Certain adverb of frequency generally do not initiate sentences. Their natural procession is typically after the subject or an auxiliary verb. Always, never, rarely, hardly ever. Incorrect use. Always I go to bed early. Correct placement. I always go to bed early. Distinguishing between often and frequently, commonly and interchangeably. Short definition. Both a verb express an action occurring many times or on many occasions. Broad interchangeably. Largely interchangeable in most daily conversation and writing. Formality and context. Formal tone. Frequently often carry a slightly more formal or academic tone. Professional use. Prevalent in report, academic paper and professional setting. Using hardly ever and rarely. Negative connotation. These effort convey a sense of infrequency. They mean almost never. Indicate action or event that occur with very low frequency. She hardly ever watch TV. They rarely complain about anything. Adverb of indefinite frequency. Common adverb. Always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, never. Adverb of definite frequency. That's adverb specific and exact number or interval, providing clear timing. Definite frequency adverb precisely start when or how often an action occurs. Daily, weekly, monthly, once a year, their time a day. Unlike indefinite adverb, definite frequency adverb usually appear at the end of a sentence for emphasis. Placement is key for clarity and impact. Practice exercise 1. Choose the correct placement. Question 1. He always or is late. He is always late. Question 2. She visit or never her family. She never visit her family. Practice exercise 2. Rewrite sentence. Mastering adverb of frequency for clearer communication. Task: rewrite the following sentence by correctly placing the given adverb of frequency. Original: I drink coffee. Rewrite usually. I usually drink coffee. Original: he is happy. Rewrite use always. He is always happy. Original: we watch movie. Rewrite use rarely. We rarely watch movie. Original: they can help us. Rewrite use sometimes. They can sometimes help us. Adverb of frequency. Placement rule. Most adverb go before the main verb with the verb to be, am, is, are. Adverb go after it. With auxiliary are modal verb can, will, should. Verb go after the first auxiliary. Common mistake to avoid. Incorrect placement. Adverb of frequency typically go before the main verb. Correct: I never eat breakfast. Double negative. Avoid using two negative words together in one clauses. Correct: I never go there or I don't never go there. Indefinite versus definite. Definite specify exact time frames. Daily, twice a week. Indefinite describe general habit. Always, sometimes. Do not confuse the two types. Use the right adverb for the context. Adverb frequency in question. Key rules. Placement is often before the main verb. For be verb, the adverb usually comes after. Do you often visit your grandparent? Is he always on time? How often do you go swimming? Okay, that's all for my presentation video. Sorry if there are any mistake in the pronunciation or delivery. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you and goodbye.
Mux Hazard on!